Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making the receiver visible. This is why you install an Airplay receiver app on the TV or streaming box and start it now. Once the app is running, make sure your Android phone is on the same Wi-Fi network and subnet so devices can find each other. You should grant location and local network permissions when prompted, because Android blocks discovery without them. After you tap Start in the receiver app, it will broadcast an Airplay target name you'll select from your phone. Next, you initiate streaming from the Android side. Open the video, photo, or music app you want to share. Once there, tap the cast or share icon. Some players show Airplay explicitly, others list the receiver name published earlier. Select that Airplay target, and the content will start playing on the receiver. If you want full screen mirroring instead of just media streaming, switch the receiver app to mirroring mode. This sends everything on your screen, rather than only a single file or app. To finish, control playback and volume from your Android. Most players keep controls on the phone for convenience. When you're done, tap the cast or Airplay icon again and choose disconnect, or simply close the receiver app on the TV. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both the Android device and the receiver, confirm they are on the same 4 GHz or 5 GHz band, and temporarily disable any VPN or strict firewall that may block discovery or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.